Hi, this is Lynda Hawkins with Keller Williams Realty, and you're listening to and watching The Right Time. This week, I want to talk about something that we're all dealing with. What to do when there's nothing to do. A lot of folks right now have self-isolated, have been told to stay home from work. Your children are home from school, and you're trying to figure out how you're going to get through the next few weeks. Well, I want to talk about two things. The first is self-care, and the second is community care. Now, as far as self-care goes, really want to encourage you to, when you can, get out, take a walk. The weather is finally getting nicer and warmer, and that is probably the safest place to be. Secondly, I'd like to encourage you to check out some of the online guides and tours that are available from museums and aquariums. This might be something to show your children as well. The third thing, and this is going to sound ridiculous, but it's actually quite fabulous. It's called setting aside worry time. Now, I'm a bit of a worrier myself, and the idea of saying, okay, between 1:30 and 2 every day, that's when I can worry. And I can write down what I'm worried about, and I can worry as hard as I want. And then at the end of that 30 minutes, because I've got a timer on, I stop and put it aside for the next 24 hours. I cannot tell you how helpful that is. So those are the three things that I suggest for self-care. But the other thing that I'm concerned about is community care. There are a lot of folks who are out there right now who are truly isolated. And if you know someone who's in a nursing home, you know they're not allowed to have visitors right now. So maybe give them a call or send them a note. Or maybe you choose someone, think about in your local congregation or HOA, neighborhood. Is there someone that you would like to reach out to in some particular way? Now, that may literally just be a call or a note card like this, or you might be able to pick up their groceries for them, or even do some work in the yard. If you are not an at-risk person, I really encourage you to think about what are the things you can do for folks who cannot do for themselves. That is an amazing way to provide community care that will make you feel a lot better as well. So self-care, it's a real thing. You need it. Community care, oh my goodness, right now we probably need that even more. So I encourage you to take advantage of both of these things during this time. That will be sure to take up lots of time during the day. So again, you're listening to Lynda Hawkins at The Right Time. And thank you so much for being a part of it. And I look forward to speaking with you next week.